Good morning, ma'am.
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 Good morning, Peter.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Bacha. We were revising modals
Good
yesterday.
morning, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. We
ma'am.
were.
Revising modals. Okay. Can I have the names of some modals which we did yesterday?
Demonstrative.
Demonstrative quantifiers.
We can just name them. This, that, these, those, like this. Okay.
Yes.
This, that, these, those.
Much, many, some, any, who, what, which one, a little, the little, a few, the few, and few.
Very good. Even must and should. Must, should, can, could, may, might. These are also modals. Must, should, can, could, may, might. You can take these also as modals. Have to, has to, need to. Okay, listen again. Must, should, can, could, may, might. Good morning. What was I saying? Let me revise it with you very quickly. Must, should, can, could, may, might, have to, has to, need to. Chalo, come on, revise with me very quickly. Must, should, can, come on, speak with me. Chalo, you speak with me first. Must,
Should, can,
could,
may,
could, may,
might.
very good. After may, might, then has to, have to, need to.
Has to, have to, need to.
What do you mean by need to? What do you mean by need to? What does the word need to mean?
Unrequired.
Something that
Zarurat. Yes, something which is zaruri, which is needed, which has to be done. That is need to. Chalo, now let's start a competition. First two paragraphs on your screen, fill the blanks with appropriate modals. You will plan your answers. Good morning, Bache. You will plan your answers for the first and the second one. You will not write the answers as of now. Writing part we will do when I'll discuss the answers. As of now, just plan your answers. I'll discuss the answers, then you will write. Chalo, your time starts now. The first and the second paragraph.
Ma'am, we did the first one yesterday only.
The first one we have done?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Good. Then you plan the second one and the third one. And then raise your hand. Second and third, and raise your hands quickly. Let's discuss the answers. You will only write when I discuss the answers. Abhi don't write, Abhi just plan your answers orally. Very good. If we have done the first one, let's plan the second and the third. This is the chapter of your unit test. That is why I've taken up this chapter first. This chapter will come in unit test, modals. You will only raise your hands. You will not say done, ma'am, done, ma'am. Second and the third paragraph. Let me see how many hands are raised. Oh, not even one. So take your time, do the second and third one and raise your hand. One hand is done, Arushi. Chale, others I'm waiting. Let few more do. Only one hand is raised out of so many students, around 40 of you. Hurry up, children. Just 2 paragraphs have given you. Okay, we have 6, 7 hands raised, so we can start discussing. You dash not worry about your child's safety at our daycare. Tell me the answer.
May.
Should.
May.
Ma'am, must or should.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
should.
Ma'am, should. Must or should.
Should is
Ma'am,
also
should.
correct. Very good. Should is also correct. Need not is also correct. Both are correct. We have extensive safety rules that each of our employees dash follow.
Ma'am, had to follow.
Must.
Have to follow. They
Ma'am,
dash
had to.
abide. Have to. They dash abide by the rules made.
Need to. Ma'am, could not.
Need to.
Must not. Ma'am, could not.
They need to, or they should, or they must. All three are correct. Should, must, need to. At the same time, you dash also ensure that you do not send your child to the daycare in case he or she is sick.
Should. Should.
Good, good. If someone else is coming to pick up the child, you dash inform us in
Ma'am,
advance.
must.
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 Must is correct. Should is also correct. Both of them are correct. If someone else is coming to pick up the child, you dash inform us in advance. Should we have done? He or she dash show a permission letter from you.
Ma'am, has to or should.
Must or should. Both are correct. Must and should. Must and should both are correct. Tell me the third one. The authorities dash check every tourist bag as they have received a threat call.
Have to. Must. Ma'am, must.
May, beta, may we cannot have because it's compulsory. So must or should or have to. All are correct. Must, should, have to. All are correct. Let's do this. Well, we are not sure it is past tense. I mean, it's future tense or not in the paragraph. When we go ahead, we'll check. Okay. They dash ensure that they are extra cautious.
Would. Ma'am, must.
See, if you're taking will in the first one, you can take would in the second one also. Okay. They would ensure that they are extra cautious. Okay. Next one. Some people get dash because upset because of the time it takes. But I think we dash understand its importance.
Must. We should.
Okay. Must both are correct. We dash cooperate with the process.
Should. Must.
Must.
Should and must both are correct. Should and must both are correct, beta. Now quickly do the fourth and the fifth. Let's discuss the answers. Raise your hands. Only few hands are raised always. Why? Hurry up. Just do the fourth and the fifth and raise your hands. I want more hands this time. Just 5 of you, 6. Okay, let's start discussing the answers. You people speak. Come on, speak.
Ma'am,
Start speaking.
Arunima cannot accompany.
Yes, ma'am. First one is has to.
Ma'am, had
Yes.
not.
Ma'am has to.
Has to.
Continue, please.
Second one is needs to.
Yes, ma'am.
Ought to.
So you only speak the sentence and the answer. Say the answer, speak. the sentence also.
In case of any delay, she
Must.
Must, should, or need to.
she must inform her teacher or in the school office.
Nobody has finished yet. How is it possible?
Yes, ma'am.
Continue. I'm saying
She
speak the sentence.
in case of any delay, she must inform her teacher or in the school office.
Must.
Ma'am, should.
She dash not worry if she is able to submit the project tomorrow. Should.
Would not.
Need not.
Need not to.
Need not.
Need
Need
not.
not.
Need
There is
not.
some network problem, but you people keep speaking. Okay, don't take a pause. A minute or two, the signals sometimes are going.
The,
Continue,
doc-
continue.
the doctor dash help you only if you follow his advice.
Very good, very good. Be a little loud, be a little loud.
You dash take your medicine on time. Must.
Should.
Or to.
Should. Or to.
You dash listen to your doctor because he knows what is
Yes.
good for you.
Should.
Should.
You
Ma'am,
should.
Should.
Ma'am, should.
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 Should is no doubt correct. You should go for that one. That is perfectly correct. Yes.
Once you start following his advice, you don't dash worry about your health.
Need
to.
Need to.
Very good. Need to. Because when I started, I told you the meaning of need to. I said we all need to. These need to can also be used. Good.
Also remind me that I dash see my doctor tomorrow. Need to.
Have to.
Have
Ma'am,
to.
must or should.
Have to.
Both of them. Good. Have to would be better, no doubt, but need to can also be taken. Good, children. Very good. Yes. Why few students only speak? I am never able to understand. Others, no participation at all. This chapter is going to come in your UT beta. Okay, next. The 6th and the 7th one. Quickly, raise your hands. 6th and the 7th. Very good, children. I did not tell you a single answer. All your answers were correct. Very good. Now the 6th and the 7th. You have to just raise your hands. Don't say done. Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes, Peter, you're saying something? Say.
and I am only writing the answers, not the whole paragraph.
You have to write only answers, beta. Everybody has to write only answers. No need to write the paragraph. No need. I'll post on the D group also. Everybody just the answers.
Ma'am, we have to do 7th and 8th or 6th or 7th.
Have we done the 6th one, children?
Yes.
No,
ma'am.
no. Yes, Helen Keller. Yes, we've done Helen Keller. Yes, so we'll do the next two beta. Yes, we have done this number. I was just checking. Yes, go ahead. Good.
Ma'am, 6th.
Once you finish, just raise your hands. I'll keep counting how many hands are done. When 6, 7 are done, we'll discuss the answers. Very good, very good. This time many hands raised. Very good. Okay, start. Start speaking. When you study, you dash choose a quiet place.
Must.
Must. Must.
Both are correct, should and must.
Ma'am,
You dash
must.
study at home or in the library.
Might.
Ma'am,
You
should.
should or you can. You can take it.
Can.
Both are.
Can.
You dash set a schedule, so you study at the same time every day.
Ma'am, you must.
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 Ma'am, should.
Must.
Should and must both mean the same. You can use any one of them. Forming a study group with other friends dash help you.
Will.
Can
Would help
Ma'am,
you.
will.
Could.
Can,
Would.
could, will.
May.
anything.
Ma'am, would.
You dash learn effective study strategies
May.
if you want to succeed in college.
Have to.
Ma'am,
Must.
You have to.
Have
You have
to.
to.
Have to.
Have to
Ma'am,
would be
need
the
to.
best answer. Need to and have to both are correct. These would be the most appropriate ones. Okay. Welcome to the army camp. You dash have your hair cut very short in the first month.
Must.
Must.
Must? No, no. You must have your hair
Ma'am,
cut.
you-
Good.
Ma'am, you have.
After that, you dash grow it longer.
You may.
Can.
May.
Can.
Yes. You may or you
Can.
can. Both are correct. You may or you can. But it never touch your collar.
Ma'am, should.
Should not.
Should.
Should.
Your uniform dash be clean and tidy.
Must.
Must.
Good.
Must.
Should.
Both are correct.
Should.
Boots and buttons dash be
Should.
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 Have to be. Have to. Have to.
should would be better.
Have
You
to.
dash undergo medical examination once a year.
You should.
To.
Have
Ma'am,
to.
you
You will.
Have to
Ma'am,
or
ma'am,
you
you
need
would.
to. You
Ma'am,
have
should.
to or you need to. Okay? You have to undergo a medical
But it can be should.
examination.
Okay, ma'am.
You should नहीं बेटा जरूरत है करना
Ma'am,
पड़ेगा.
because it is a responsibility.
It's not a responsibility. It is a law. It is a rule. So you need to or you
Ma'am,
have
it is a
to.
responsibility to follow the rule.
Because we are not connecting things over here. No, morally, we are going according to the language of the sentence. You dash undergo medical examination once. See, should is not wrong. Must is also not wrong. But the most appropriate will be have to or need to. But even if you write should and must, it will not be taken as wrong. Now, in each blanks over here, you have an incorrect word and you have a correct word. Chalo, all hands down. All these 14 students, hands down. Very good, you did well. We finished this exercise. Now please do this. Find the incorrect word and the correct word. Just the first one first. Okay? Don't do the second one, just do the first one. And then raise your
Okay,
hands
ma'am.
quickly. First, you will find the incorrect word and then tell me the correct word. Chalo, let's do it quickly.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, these all exercise do we need to do in our piano room?
Are we doing the rough only and orally? We'll discuss the answers, then you write.
Okay, ma'am.
And then we have to write only the answers in the fair copy
Yes,
or
beta.
or
Only
the whole
the
narrative?
answers.
Alright.
Only answers, beta. Only answers. I'll post the PDF on the D group, so no need to write the sentences.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, but ma'am,
The main
we are
concern
not
is.
joined with ma'am D group.
Sorry, which section you're talking about? 9th class? Which section does not have the D group? A or B?
Ma'am,
Sorry, B or
9C
C?
does not have.
I'm 9C.
Ma'am, C.
9C.
9th C, 9th B has?
Yes, ma'am.
9th B? Acha, 9th B has a D group. 9th C does not have. Right?
No,
Chalo,
ma'am.
I'll speak to Akash sir today. Just one of you just message me as a reminder. I'll speak to Akash sir today.
Okay, sir.
That is very important. That group really helps.
Ma'am, we have to do both the exercise.
First, just do the first one. We'll discuss the first one first, Peter. Then we'll move on to the second one. That's why I'm saying those who finish, raise your hands. Only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hands are there. 1, 2 more, then we'll discuss the first one. Then I'll give you time for the second one. Jaldi karo, bachas. Okay, let me discuss the first one first. Alice are feeling bored and drowsy. Tell the incorrect word.
R.
Ma'am, R.
Ma'am,
What
it
is
should
the
be
correct
used.
word?
It should be is.
Correct word is?
Is.
Correct.
Ma'am, it
While
should be
sitting in the
was.
restaurant with her older sister who was read a book.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, it should be elder.
Ma'am, elder.
There are two
Elder.
mistakes. Elder is also correct and reading a book. Read should be reading also.
reading.
With no pictures or conversations. No
Conversation.
pictures or conversations. She then noticed a white rabbit.
Ma'am, noticed.
Is incorrect.
Notice.
Very good. A white rabbit wear a waistcoat.
Ma'am, wearing.
Ma'am, wearing.
Wearing.
Wearing a
Ma'am,
waistcoat and pocket watch. Talk to itself.
Ma'am,
Talking.
talking to
Talking.
itself.
Ma'am, talking.
Talking to itself. Very good. Talking to itself as it ran past. She followed it down.
Ma'am, past is incorrect.
follow.
Be fast.
Yes,
Followed.
very good. Followed it down a rabbit hole, but suddenly fall a long way.
Fell.
Ma'am, fell.
Good, good. Fell. To a curious hall with many locked doors. Here we do not have any word. Incorrect. Very good. Hurry up now. We'll do the second one. Do the second one. Raise your hands. I want to see how many because I want the answers also to be posted in the group so that I can put a tick in front of the names. Do the second one. It's the same type.
Ma'am, can you scroll down a bit?
Okay. The second one.
Yes, ma'am.
About the weather. It is still here, beta. About the weather. Let me bring. Okay, we'll
Okay,
do
ma'am.
one thing. You do the second one quickly. I'll just scroll down a little. Hurry up, children. Hurry up. If you want, I'll just show it to you and make it more clear. Actually, this part of the PDF is not very clear, but I'll do. Just do the second one quickly.
Ma'am, done.
Just raise your hands, Pachi. Many students have raised hands. I think we can start discussing the answers. Okay, an old man. No, second one. A hawker is a person who moved from.
Ma'am, move.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, move.
First,
Move.
always tell the incorrect one. Yes. Moved. In place of moved, it should be
move.
moves. Yes. It is moved from. Very good. It moves from. They always keep fighting with, no, the second part, sorry. Who moved from one place to another and sold goods.
Sold.
Ma'am,
Sold
sell.
is the
Ma'am,
incorrect
sell.
and correct is
Ma'am, sold is the incorrect and sell will be the correct.
Yes. Please follow the sequence. First, the incorrect word. Which is the incorrect word?
Ma'am, sold.
Ma'am, sold.
And what is the correct word? Let's go
Sell.
systematically. So that
Sell.
Sell.
Ma'am,
sells. It should be sells. 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 Okay. So always first the incorrect one. Next, beta. By shouted on the streets.
Ma'am, shouting.
shouted.
Ma'am, shouted.
Shouted is the incorrect word. What is the
Shouted.
correct
Ma'am, incorrect is ma'am, shouted.
By shouting on the street.
Ma'am, is correct will be
Okay,
shouting.
no confusion. Incorrect is shouted. Please listen. Incorrect is shouted and correct is shouting. The correct word is shouting. He working hard throughout the day.
Ma'am, working.
Working.
Ma'am, working.
Ma'am, working.
Incorrect. What is the correct word? What is the correct one?
Ma'am, work.
Work. Very good. Work.
Ma'am, work.
We can saw hawkers everywhere.
Saw.
Saw.
Saw is the incorrect word. What is the
Correct is C.
Too good. Saw is the incorrect word. C is correct. They move everywhere without cared about the weather.
Ma'am, cared.
Ma'am,
Cared.
Correct.
Care.
will be care.
And the correct is caring.
Ma'am, caring.
Cared,
Ma'am,
it should be
caring.
cared. Very good. We still have 4 minutes. Let's do the last one very quickly. Tell me. An old man has 2 sons.
Ma'am, had two sons.
Has.
Ma'am, has incorrect. Has incorrect. Correct. Had.
First, you will
Ma'am,
always tell me. First, you will always tell me the wrong words. As is wrong. It should be had. They always keep fighting with each other.
the screen.
Yes, they always keep fighting with each other, which is the incorrect word.
Ma'am, keep.
Ma'am, keep.
Keep.
Ma'am, keep.
Ma'am, keep. Incorrect.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am,
What is the
kept.
correct word then?
Ma'am, kept.
Kept.
Very good. The old man were not able to understand.
Ma'am,
Were is wrong. It should be was. How to make his son realize that it was not good to fight? Tell me. The E1. What is wrong in the E1?
Ma'am, were.
No.
understood.
Ma'am, realized.
No.
Understood.
No.
Understood.
But I'm talking E1. It is the next line. E1. Son realize that one. Tell me what is wrong in this.
Ma'am, son.
Realize.
Very good.
Ma'am,
No,
realize.
this son
Ma'am, realized. Incorrect. Realized and correct. Realized.
No. The incorrect word is son. One of you already gave this answer, and the correct word is sons. It should not be son. It should be sons. Okay, to make his sons realize that it was not good to fight, he decided to teach them a lesson. What is wrong?
Decide.
Ma'am, decide. Ma'am, it will be decided.
Decided.
Ma'am, it should be decided.
Okay, please
Ma'am,
start posting
decided.
with your names. Yes, start posting the answers with your names on the group. Let me put a tick in front of your names. Hurry up. Start posting. We still have 2 minutes, 3 minutes. I'll put a tick in front of your names. Post. Please start posting on your class groups with your names.
Ma'am, can we send the answers that we've written in rough?
Yes, yes, you can. Please send. I'll put a tick in front of your names.
Ma'am, done.
Keep posting with your name so that I can put a tick. Hurry up, so few students are posting. I'm just putting a tick in front of your names. Hurry up, children.